In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the conversion API for Facebook Pixel on your WordPress site. This guide is perfect if you're looking to enhance your tracking capabilities by integrating Facebook Pixel with your WordPress website in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress site and log in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard, which is the control center for managing your website. This is where you can add new functionalities, customize your site, and access plugins, which is exactly what we'll be doing next. Now, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Click on Plugins. This is your gateway to enhancing your site with new features. After clicking Plugins, you'll want to proceed to the search bar. Here, search for MetaPixel for WordPress. This specific plugin bridges the gap between your website and Facebook's powerful analytics tool, providing you with thorough insights into your audience and their behavior. Once the search results populate, look for the MetaPixel for WordPress plugin. Go ahead and click on it to access more details about the plugin, ensuring it's the right one. Now, you'll want to click on Install and then Activate. This step is crucial because installation alone does not apply the plugin's functionality to your site. You need to activate it to connect your site to Facebook. With the plugin activated, return to your WordPress dashboard if you're not already there. It's time to set up the connection between WordPress and Facebook. In the dashboard, go to Marketing. This is where many of your digital marketing tools and settings are housed. Once you've clicked on Marketing, select Facebook from the options provided. This action will direct you to the configuration page, where you'll lay the groundwork for connecting your site to Facebook Pixel. On this page, you'll see options to start setting up your Facebook integration. Click on Start to Configure. This will launch a series of prompts guiding you through the connection process. These instructions will include logging into your Facebook account, essential for syncing your Facebook business tools to your WordPress site. Make sure to have your login details ready. During this step, you'll also choose the correct Facebook Business Manager, the ad account you wish to use, and the specific pixel that will track your site's activity. This ensures all data collected is centralized to the accounts you control, maintaining organized and accurate analytics for your advertising efforts. Follow all on-screen prompts carefully to complete the setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, your WordPress site will now send user data directly to Facebook using Conversion API, enhancing your digital marketing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials that help optimize your online presence.